This is Everlasting God in the Key of C by Brenton Brown and Ken Riley. And as always, you can stop the video, click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so in this key, we have three main chords. We have C, F, G, and then we have our A minor. So there's really just some simple chords that go along with this. Let's look at those. We have C, E, G, which makes up our C chord when they're played together. Okay, then F chord, F, A, C, G chord, move up one note, G, B, D, and move up one more note, and we have our A minor, A, C, E. Okay, so we're gonna review that. We have a C chord, F, up one, G, up one, A minor. And you'll actually use that pattern a little bit in the pre-chorus. So I'll show you the left hand. We're gonna just play single notes. We're gonna play single C note with our C chord, F chord, up one G, and then A minor with the A in the bass, okay? Just single notes down here. You can actually put your thumb on C, line up these 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move the hand the whole song, which helps you simplify as well. All right, so the verse one, I've kind of stripped it down to the basics. So there's actually just a C chord playing through the whole thing. And if you're playing with a band, you can obviously ramp this up with some different instrumentals in the guitars and things like that. Or you could just add some vocals in, some drum beats, all the things. But if you're just playing by yourself to worship, you could just play C chord through it and just spend your time worshiping. All right, so let's bring in a rhythm first. I forgot. The rhythm that we're going to bring the two hands together sounds like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, and so on. Okay, you can practice that on the F chord, G, A minor, and so on. Okay, so let's go through just that verse since we're kind of just gonna vamp on that C chord the whole time. Strength will rise as we wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. Wait upon the Lord. Strength will rise as we wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. You can kind of get that rhythm. The pre-chorus is going to speed it up a little bit, and you're going to go like this. Our God. That goes from our God. You reign forever. I'm gonna repeat that. So I kind of just block chord it through. So I go, our God, you reign forever. Then you pick up your rhythm. Ever. Again, our hope, our strong deliverer. That's going to be your hardest point because there's a lot of just chord transitions. So if you can think of it more just 1-to-1 ratio. Our God, you reign. Just step up here. Ever, our hope, our strong deliverer. Then we're going to go to the chorus. All right, here we go. C chord there. You are the everlasting God, F. The everlasting A minor, God. You do not faint, you, F. Grow weary, C. You're the defender of the F, weak. You comfort those in A minor, need. You lift us up on F, wings like eagles. Then you can go back into that chorus, or you can route back into the verse, whatever you feel more comfortable with doing. All right, I'm going to go through that pre-chorus again, just words only and not really talking through it, so you can kind of get used to that, that block chording back and forth. Our God, you reign of that chorus. You are the everlasting God, the everlasting A minor. You do not faint, you won't grow weary, C, and so on. Okay, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can have a lot of fun with this one, especially with how simple that first verse is. And then pre-chorus, just really remember to just block chord it. And remember that step up. You're just going from that F, G, A minor, G. Kind of does that step up a little bit. Okay, here we go. Strength will rise as we wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. Strength will rise as we wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. Wait upon the Lord our God. You reign forever. Our hope, our strong deliverer. You are the everlasting God, the everlasting God. You do not faint, you won't grow weary. You're the defender of the weak. You comfort those in need. You lift us up on wings like